All right, got to break out the camera. So we got Phil at the house. Not Chad, but Phil got a new part. So check this out. What do we got here, man?
So this is something I've had for a little bit now, but it was on back order, so it took a while to get here. But just some finishing touches for the Varus kit. We've got these exhaust finishers in carbon fiber. They're one of those last finishing touches that I just forgot to order with the kit.
Ooh, wow.
So they're full carbon.
Authentic, right there.
Very authentic. Kind of look like this one looks like it's probably the right side.
So is this going to require drilling?
Oh yeah, it's gonna require drilling. And it's not gonna be me.
Oh, great. You hear that, guys?
You're the man. Oh yeah, there we go. So that'll be kind of like what it looks like. Yeah. While we're taking the diffuser off to do the exhaust install, I might as well finish it up. Put these exhaust finishers on.
Yeah, why not?
We got these charge speed full LED reflectors too.
Oh, that's easy. You just wire them to your tails or whatever.
These ones right here don't have any lights in them, so I just figured, might as well put a little touch on it,
Cool, we can do that.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Everyone loves him.
Everybody loves Jay.
They just hate us because they hate us.
Oh wait, we have to show the baby.
Oh yeah,
It's a new baby. Hey.
Isn't she quiet?
Yeah, she's
She's
fat.
Good. Yeah, she's
Fat.
Just trying to get used to
That's
the
fat in a good way though. Yeah.
Trying to get used to all the cameras.
Yeah. Say what up, Chad.
I made something.
Yeah. This is what Chad made.
This one didn't take very long. 10 seconds.
So yeah, just a nice chill weekend, good weather. And what we got going on here, I gotta do something for Phil because I can't do this no more. Phil?
Yeah, I mean, it's embarrassing, but I know this is causing you OCD more than me.
Yeah, it really is.
I mean, it's not a pretty place to be in. There's char marks from the fire.
You still got the old fire marks
Old
right
fire
there.
marks, like-
No, we can keep that in there just for memory's sake.
Yep. I don't know, when I swap a new motor in, I want to get that fixed up.
Yeah.
Paint it.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean Phil's engine bay. We also got parts, which you saw earlier, that we need to install, but we gotta take care of this first. Yeah, he really, really needs it. I can't let Phil go out like this. So you're gonna see an amazing, well, I don't know about amazing, but a nice transformation in his engine bay. So yeah, going from this to this. So Phil's just gonna spray everything down. This is gonna probably take away about 60% of the dirt. Just alone. Just keep spraying, Phil. All right, so Phil just sprayed down the motor just with water. So that's about, I don't know, about 60% of the, well, he still got a little bit of dirt down there from the fire. Look, fire char.
That's not dirt. That's not dirt. That's char.
So we're now just gonna get our all-purpose cleaner and just spray it and just, brush every little nook and cranny as much as we can down in there. So this is what I use in my engine bay. This is Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. So check this out. You can get this at AutoZone or you can get this at Obsessed Garage. I am now an affiliate for them, so check out the link in the description below if you want a nice good bottle of Hyper Dressing. But some good stuff for your engine bay, and it lasts a long time too. So all you gotta do is spray it. Don't overthink it. Just spray it, let it sit for a little bit, and get your detail brush. Just start spreading it around. Stuff smells pretty good too.
Oh my god, yeah.
I thought that was a monster at first, but some of you guys get to know Phil a little bit more in depth. He tells a great story, and it's kind of interesting on how this thing came to be. So look forward to that here soon.
Wow. Phil, that already looks 10 times better.
I was trying to say that without burping. I drank that monster so fast.
Did you chug that monster?
No, I still have some left. I'm not that weird. I'm weird.
This, like that right there, I'm like, oh yeah.
That looks amazing.
You just wait once everything settles, it's like...
Wanna compare engine bays, bro? I got a cover on mine. It's a V6. I want to turbo that.
We're trying to get an SRT.
We are actually trying
really?
to trade it in for an SRT.
Oh, really?
We've been looking.
All right, so there it is. So all the dressing that we have applied has already started leveling out, and man, it looks 10 times better. A night and day difference from before. What do you think, Phil?
Yeah, I love it. This is like how it should look all the time, but I neglected it forever. So once again, thank you. You saved the day.
Getting ready for show season. So
That's it. We're supposed to have shows next month, so
you know, hopefully, yeah, hopefully we get his car into some shows so you guys can see it up close and personal. But anyways, you know, cleaning the engine bay is really easy. Don't overthink it. You can spray the engine bay. All the plugs and electrical components are sealed, so don't worry about it. Just go ahead and spray away. Just don't spray the air filter directly. That's the only thing I don't recommend you do. But yeah, just a short video for you guys today of us cleaning Phil's engine bay. 9-day difference, of course, from what you see before and after. Oh, hey, you didn't tell him about the exhaust yet?
Oh yeah, that's coming. That's next video.
All right, so we're in the car. I just changed the oil. Don't need to film all that stuff. It's just changing oil. You guys have seen all that stuff. But one thing I do before I start the engine is build up oil pressure. So I just started it. I turned the key into the on position, put the accelerator all the way to the floor. I'm gonna try to start it until that oil light goes off, the one that you see in the middle. So I'm trying to start it. Oil light is still on. I don't know, someone said to do this. I don't know if it works. Oh, there you go, just went off. Cool, now we built up oil pressure. All right, I'm gonna let go of the accelerator pedal. And there you go, it's on. Now, I usually set my trip meter, the B meter, to oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset that so I know how many miles are on the current oil that's in the engine. Reset that. So I use A for gas mileage or for my gas, and then B for oil. Almost got it. Okay guys, when I told you guys that I was gonna take the car out to some events, well, check it out. I got some new tires. I found a fat deal on this. It would have been dumb for me not to jump on this deal tire, so I am gonna check the date code on it. Well, actually I already did, and it's actually pretty new. All right, so here's the date code on it. As you can see, it was made on the 43rd week of 2019. So these are still fairly new tires. So, all right, so there it is. The RE71Rs are now fully installed. I did that off camera. You guys don't need to see me put on wheels and tires, but these were not the original tires that I was originally going to get for performance events. But when a deal comes up, you just got to go ahead and take it. But these are like the 4th set of RE71R tires that I have had. The last 3, I pretty much thrashed them at autocross events. But yeah, I pretty much know what to expect with these tires. An excellent 200 tread wear tire. Also, keep in mind, if you plan on getting these tires, these fit wider than normal tires. So this is a 245, also, you know, not the tire size I wanted to get. I was planning on upgrading to 265s, but they also fit a lot wider, or a little bit wider than your normal size tire. So this is a 245, but it fits more like a 255. Okay, so old Michelins are right here. These are gonna go back on the car probably later on this year once I wear out the old Bridgestones. I don't know if I'm gonna really wear them out, to be honest with you, but I still have an old set of Bridgestone Potenza RE71Rs right here. These are down to about 4:30 seconds, so they have about 1 autocross or 1 track day left, whichever one you go. Well, I don't know about track day, but they're still good for 1 event. So one thing to note about the RE71s versus the PS4Ss I had before, these are definitely much grippier tires than the PS4S. Now keep in mind that the PS4S is an absolutely phenomenal tire for everyday driving. Great dry handling grip. Also wet weather grip is also phenomenal. Probably one of the best tires I've ever had in my ownership of cars. Now for you guys that know me very well, you guys know that I am a tire junkie. I do not like cheap tires. That is just me. But speaking on tires, you can have the best suspension in the world, the best chassis mods or whatever you name it. If your tires suck, then you're not going to be able to take advantage of all of those mods. That's just the way it is. That's the only thing that contacts the ground. So don't think you're going to have the most baller suspension, the most baller parts, but have shitty tires. No, it's just not. It just doesn't work that way. God, I just love these tires. Caught up to another car. Oh well. I wasn't really even pushing it either. The road was a little damp, so kind of pussied out, but oh well. But yeah, not even a peep from these tires at all. That wasn't even pushing it. I have pushed these tires to their limit. If you see my old videos about 2 years ago of me taking these tires to the autocross, that's where I really pushed it. And that's where you'll be amazed at how much grip these tires produce if you take them to the autocross. Absolutely amazing. It's just unbelievable. Like, wow, these tires can actually grip this hard. But yeah, so I'm just gonna shut up and just go on a little cruise down this little neighborhood with just a few twisties. Not gonna go hard at all. But yeah, so as far as noise, it's not really all that noisy. I mean, I can hear just fine. I wouldn't say they're any noisier than my PS4S's, but I have noticed that once you wear them down a little bit, they do get a little bit noisier. Let's take this corner. I'm just afraid of pedestrians because people like to jog and walk around these corners, and there's no walkway or sidewalk on there. I'm just afraid of hitting someone, and there's no way I'm going to win that case. That is for sure. God, man, I just love it. Oh, man, I wish I could just go to an autocross today and just beat these tires up. So yeah, there it is, first impressions. Actually not really first impressions. I've had these tires 3 times before. This is my 4th time of the RE71R tires. So if you're looking for an autocross tire, this is a tire that I highly recommend. If you're looking for a track tire, there are other tires that I recommend, but we'll go over some track tires that I think that you should run if you plan on taking your car to the track, because the tires is probably the most important thing other than the actual driver itself when it comes to track driving. If you guys know my history, I used to be a real big track rat from about 1998 to about 2014. I have a bunch of laps, about 250 total at the Nürburgring. So I know a little bit. I am nowhere near a pro, but when it comes to track driving, that's something I really do know something about. But anyways, we're gonna head on home. And that is pretty much it for me. Excited about these new tires. And you will see in an upcoming video, I will be testing these tires out. That is for sure. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. My 4th gear grinds now for some reason. Why is that? Why is my 4th gear grind every time I shift to 4th? God.